Ano ba to?
Pero magpasok yan siya. Parang curious siya eh. Ikaw na, baby.
Ako!
Basta marinig mo na to. Yun na yun.
How to build a dog house. What can you say about building Max's house?
I thought it's only 30 minutes. But it's like 2 hours and counting. And hello on the side.
This calls for hello.
Okay guys, you're invited to Max grand opening.
House blessing.
House blessing. Cutting, ribbon cutting. We'll bring the holy water.
I get ribbon.
Yeah.
I have ribbon downstairs.
Sige.
And then holy water. Who will cut? Who will do the ribbon cutting? Oh. Of course, it's clueless.
No, the ribbon should be in the house.
Yeah, in the middle, there. Oy, nandiyan na siya, oh.
Akin na ang Yeah, sige.
Don't be a killjoy.
Na, kaya nga meron yung hook, doon mo ata itali ang tali eh. Kunin na.
Oh, dali.
May the blessing of the Lord be upon you.
Ting.
Todo dito. Bidawa.
Kasi ako
ang house.
Ako lang taga-house.
Videographer.
Where's the videographer?
Si Daddy ang
Come here.
Where's the holy water?
Wala na holy water. I am in the car.
Dito kayo sa side kayo.
Oh my God, holy water po.
Share the side. There.
Holy water, wait.
Picture. Wait. Desero po ka din frio to sisi. You know something is happening. Look at him. Mira to ha, you take a good ano ha.
We're doing like 18 candles.
You do a good ano ha video ha. Take a picture. Maxi, come here.
Oh, my thing went out.
Ha? Okay. Papel.
Ikaw ang kailangan i-bless. You come here. Come here. We'll have to bless you. Is that you will not ruin it, okay?
You will not have nightmares here.
Okay. And you also, okay? Bless Max, oh Lord. That Max will grow up to be a good boy.
A good dog.
A good baby dog. Amen.
Picture.
Smile.
Yay!
Yay! Oh, blow the candle.
Blow the candle.
Yay! Okay, come.
You wanna look?
Go inside your house. Go inside your house. Inside.
Dali. Oh, take picture.
1, 2. Okay.
Yay! Go in. Max, go in. The bone.
You go inside the house. Go inside the house.
Go inside. Go inside.
This is Max's house. Oh my God! His new house.
You want this? You want that? Okay.
OMG!
Max, go get it.
Yay!
Go, go. Go now. Go. Go. Maganda ba, Kuya Ern, ang bahay?
Yeah.
Tagal namin yan ginan, no? Kasi
Habla yung igualas na garahe, el auto afuera. This yung casa, el afuera ng casa.
Max! Max, go in your house!
Inside.
Cheap lang.
The other bone.
Nandun na nga lahat. Nandun na lahat. Hindi, ipatikin mo muna sa kanya. Mamaya puros amoy bones.
Go! No,
OMG! Dua!
no, ignorante pa. Ignore pa.
Go na, Max.
Hoy,
See!
kung saan? Nagkapisan?
Inside! Ito ang nangyayari ngayon. Ayaw ng aso sa bahay niya. Baby,
Sinigat siya.
ayaw niya.
Max,
Sini,
you
you go
go
inside
inside.
the house.
Go inside.
I'll go. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Me and Victoria.
Oh!
Go.
Yee! Hindi pa katli entra oh, hindi pa kayo.
Okay, pa siyempre.
Move a bit. Give her
Go
give
in.
him a room.
Go in, Max.
Move.
So much
Move a bit.
space.
Yeah. Go.
Sini sa lubo.
Magaling na siya. Go na, go na. Go inside.
Go!
Ship na to.
Ano pa to?
Pero magpasok yan siya. Parang
Oo.
curious siya eh. Go na, baby.
Ako!
Mag-i! Ilang galing! At mag-inuray!
Gusto niya.
Maybe ano siya, you can bring sa beach. Parang maligo ko
Now
siya.
she'll never go there.
Yeah ba? Okay na yan, malinis na yan.
That's okay.
Ha?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh!
Oh, he wants to play with the
Hindi
water.
lang, kasi sa labas pa man siya. Na pero maglabas pa man siya. Dito lang man siya, diba?
Oh, gusto niya. Oh, ang tubig.
Baby will buy a swimming pool. A small swimming pool.
Tira
Okay.
ng agua.
Okay.
Tahugan na ako.
Oh.
Ha?
Nagalit na siya. No more. No more. Ng ano, ng tali. No, Max? Or maliit. Kailangan malaki, no? Pwede na.
Sabi ni Max, ay, ewan ko sa inyo. Bahala kayo dyan sa buhay nyo. Right, Max? Bahala kayo dyan sa buhay nyo. Basta ako, matulog ako dito.
At least may bahay. Hindi na sa walang bahay.